colors in Canva gradient effect. So let's get started. Here I've chose my size from the Canva homepage. I chose the Instagram post size, and here is my editing page. And then you can go to elements and search in gradient. So I've already used that, so I'm going to choose that. So after this has appeared in your workspace or whatever, you'll see these two colored boxes up there, and you can just click on that and change your color. There are lots of colors, and you can even make your own color. Not make exactly, but still you can choose it here from here. So I am gonna make it like an aqua, yeah, like a beach kind of gradient effect. So you can change the second color as well, both at the same time, and you can resize it if you want and incorporate them on your thumbnails or whatever you want to. And yeah, that's how you change the colors. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.